single day I'm gonna make something great. That's my way. Every single day I'm gonna make something great. That's my way.
What's popping, guys? Welcome back to Workaholic Squad. I'm Sumikes. For those who are new here, please, you're most welcome. Subscribe to my channel, put notification bell on for more video to get the alert of it. Like my videos, comment and share. Thank you for the support. Thank you for the new subscriber for interlinking on the squad. Guys, you don't show me some love on my channel. You just watch. I have a lot of viewers, but you doesn't comment down. I make videos so that you make your comment down below, and I know what you think about the videos I've done for you. So on this video, show me some love. Comment down below and know what you think about the video I've done for you. Today I'm taking you back to my kitchen. We are going to make macroon. You can make different styles in macroon. So today we're going to make macroon bechamel. Let's go to my kitchen. Give this video a big thumbs up. Like my video and comment. Don't forget to share with your friends. See you next time. Bye bye. I have put flour. And now I'm going to put milk, then butter. Also I have put this cream, then we put water. We put water, then we mix it together. Now we are going to boil it. Our water is done. Now I'm putting macroon. Oops. Macroon of this kind. This is what I made. I have chopped the chicken. This is onions and also tomato. So now we are going to put oil. Let us put our salt. We put the chicken, the one we have chopped. And also we put all the ingredients we need to be inside of it. This dish. Black pepper, cinnamon, cinnamon powder. Let us put water. You can use water or you can use milk. For me, I've used the milk. Anything you have, water or milk is better. We put also cheese. I have put 2. Also I put tomato paste. Our macaron is done. Now we pour them inside what we have prepared. The flour we made, now we are going to put them in this container. After, we pour inside the macaron we have made. So we pour the remaining flour. After, we put it in oven. After putting it in oven, this is how it came out. I can't wait to try it out. Guys, show me some love, like, comment and share.